Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Best English Literature and Linguistic Notes. Today we are going to discuss William Shakespeare key points in just 1 minute. William Shakespeare was born on 23rd April 1564, Stratford-upon-Avon. Shakespeare was an English greatest dramatist, poet, and actor. He is called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. He wrote 39 plays, which include 16 comedies, 10 histories, and 12 tragedies. Shakespeare's first play was Henry IV, while his last play was The Two Noble Kinsmen. His most produced play is A Midsummer Night's Dream. He wrote 154 sonnets. He composed his plays using blank verse. There are four stages in the development of the dramatic art of Shakespeare. He was died on 23rd April 1616 at Stratford-upon-Avon.